Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. I'm about to rip this guy off and make $6,000 off of him. How does it feel to know that you're about to get ripped off?
Hey, it feels good. I like the house.
So my buddy Peyton, this is a house we did a walkthrough on the other day, has decided that he wants this house, so I'm gonna sell it across to him since I don't have a lot of time to get to it today. I just found out you've already sent the money to me, so this is already a done deal.
Already done.
So you haven't even walked in this house and you're buying it.
Correct.
Does that not make you a little bit nervous?
No, not with the condition that it's in. It's a beautiful home, and I love the video on it.
So you trust my videos enough to buy a house without looking at it first. Take a look at all the stained glass like this.
It is very beautiful. That was one of the
And these big arches, like these kinds of things you don't generally see. So this window unit has just been here apparently since they bought the house, but there is a heating and air unit, and I verified upstairs it still works. So
back in the house, which
yep.
a lot of homes down here don't have.
Right. You've got this big thing here. This is on rollers. So that could be taken out if you don't like, but I kind of like it.
I like it a lot. Adds a lot of character to the home.
Yeah, I think replacing the rollers would probably be a good idea to protect the floors. This is the real hardwoods here, I believe, but I don't know what's underneath the carpet. Kitchen's a little wonky. I think you should do some of your countertops swap out in here.
Yeah,
but I don't dislike the layout.
Yeah.
I think the
It's
layout is
very
good.
nice. You could do an island right here if you want to as well.
And an LVP floor in here would make a big difference.
Nice little drop floor.
Yep, but you got your laundry hookups.
Yeah, this will be a super nice laundry room. It's got a closet on it as well.
You also have a new water heater, so or relatively new, and a pretty clean install on it. So
That's nice.
bedrooms will be this way. So this would be the master.
Wow.
Well, actually, I guess both of them would qualify since they both have a bathroom attached.
Bathroom.
So this was set up as a landlord house. So behind the faucets and stuff, you have an access panel, which makes it much easier to work on. I would keep the storage and everything here, and consider doing an epoxy over the top. I know a guy that could help you with that.
I'd be interested in looking at it.
I would recommend that on that one because I like the storage and things of that. Then we'll have other bathroom back here. How much would a house like this cost where you're at? Let's see. So we got closets. Then we have the bathroom that comes through over here. Needs a mirror.
Still very nice.
Toilet is here.
What is this, a closet?
Yeah, that's underneath the stairs.
Oh, wow.
So I'll show you the way into the attic, yeah, so originally he said this was a room. Now it's been converted to just storage, but I don't think it would be a terrible hard thing to convert to a room again if you decided you wanted to, which would make this a 3-bedroom. The framing and everything on it, we need to insulate, but there's already some ductwork ran up and around, so it'd be pretty easy to tie into the ductwork. So the proper insulation put in a ceiling, you could probably make this work. And you're a tall guy, and it's still well over your head. So let's go to the shed. You're going to be excited about this. Have you already been back there?
I looked in the backyard, but I've not been able to go into it yet.
Let's go into the shed. You're going to like it. So what I've done is called wholesaling, and more or less I got this house under contract, possibly for me, but because I have so many houses going, I reached out to other investors, and Peyton is another investor. And he's got a little bit more time available, a few more guys working for him, and decided he wanted to do it. So I can sell it to him. It's still a good price for us. The owner got to sell it really fast, which is what they needed. And I get to make some money, he gets to make some money, the owner gets to sell, everybody wins. That's the way good business should be, everybody wins. So let's go into the shed. And you've already done this at another house you had in Fort Smith, I saw, where you took a shed like this and turned it into a unit.
We made a studio. We've actually got it rented now.
Yep.
We listed it a day ago for $650 a month, and we already have somebody.
It doesn't take long.
This will turn into a great studio as well. There's tons of space in here.
Yep.
It's a lot nicer than the one we just worked on.
I would agree. I think this is very doable. The slab's in pretty good shape on it too.